This morning, confidence is increasing that we could feature a significant pattern shift that will shove the warmth south and usher in a blast of cold air as we head toward December. And if you're asking, is this that polar vortex thing? You're not wrong. Meteorologist Haley Meier is here with more on what we are learning. It's still a ways away, and it's hard because when we say polar vortex, it's like, okay, let's explain the polar vortex again. But more importantly, the growing signs. They're stronger and stronger with each passing day, it seems.
Yeah, I mean, really, Stephen, I think you and Marissa did a good job talking about how crazy November weather can be. Yeah. One day you're in the 90s in Texas. The next day you can have this big blast of polar air. And that's something that we're tracking really as we turn the page into day one of meteorological winter, which would be December 1st. Now, it is somewhat rare to see this polar vortex and this sudden stratospheric warming event that's dropping this cool polar air south in November. We actually haven't seen that since 1968. But this type of event isn't necessarily rare. It's just the time frame that it's coming in. Basically, what the polar vortex is, it's a permanent area of low pressure and colder air that sits near the poles, and that polar jet stream sits just below it and locks that polar air further north. However, when you have this strong polar vortex getting pushed down by the warming in the stratosphere, that's when that jet starts to break and little pieces and lobes of cold air start to travel further and further south. And so when you think back to last year where we had snow on the beaches along the I-10 corridor, that was in response to a lobe of the polar vortex being able to reach that far south. Now, the stratosphere, it is the warming layer in the atmosphere, so typically you're going to see temperatures cool off with height when you get to the troposphere, and then it switches with the inversion layers for the stratosphere. But in this case, the stratosphere could be warming 50 degrees more so, and that's adding more of that pressure down on the polar vortex. So this sudden stratospheric warming event is what's going to be the trigger point for what looks like a very cold start to December, and all it takes is an area of low pressure, get some more activity going on, and it could be snowier as well for spots across the northern tier of the United States. So as that cold air starts to spill further and further south, that does mean that we could be talking about some Arctic air traveling further into spots across the northern tier of the United States and even into the central plains. So yes, we're talking heat right now, and even folks across the central U.S., they're feeling above average temperatures for the better part of this work week. The cooler air, if that's what you like this time of year, it is definitely coming within the next couple of days. Here's just what a sudden stratospheric warming event is. Like I mentioned, it's just a rapid warm-up of the stratosphere, and that is above the Earth's poles. And those temperatures, again, push down on that polar vortex, sending that cooler air further south. So if you look at the temperature outlook, this is through Thanksgiving. We're not quite dealing with that polar vortex coming down. We're actually very likely above average for the southeast with the temperatures 10, 15 degrees above average in some spots. Even the I-95 corridor, a zone that's actually been very cold compared to average for the month of November, going to be feeling warmer than that. But then look at what happens when we jump into the early half of December. That's where you start to see that polar air start to eject further south, likely below average for spots across the northern Rockies, the Rocky Mountains, the Central Plains. And so again, you'll be feeling that response. But truly, it's the month of November where you have this switching back and forth where the warmer temperatures will take over for a minute and then the cool air comes clashing back in. It's kind of hard to have Mother Nature make up its mind, but that's just the nature of a transitional season that is fall. You can also see something like that in the spring. So for late November through early December, this is the long-term outlook here, very likely below average for the northern half of the United States. So for some zones like the Rocky Mountains, they need some extra snow. So we'll see if they can actually get the lift to create some precipitation, hopefully snowy precipitation out of that. But nonetheless, you guys, it's going to be a very chilly start to December.
Yeah, and you truly did save the best for last. I was waiting on that final graphic because you get so far out there, Haley, and it's hard to have such high confidence. But the fact that those were 3 different shades of blue, that third shade, you just don't see that often with an outlook that far out. So I think it's a pretty solid sign that we're going to see something. I mean, after all, it will be December.
Right.
Got to wait for winter. Haley, thank you. Speaking of